That's why you were fixing that in Tijuana.
That's
Ooh.
right. That's right.
I got a job to pay for gas.
You like it, boy?
Yeah.
But turn on the stereo. You have your phone with you?
Yeah. Is it just through here?
Turn on the Bluetooth. That's just for charging it.
New watch.
You watch.
Turn on the settings. Go to settings first. You're on your phone, and look for the stereo. No, setting on your phone.
On Bluetooth.
Settings, Bluetooth, and look for this thing. At the bottom. It's gonna be away at the bottom.
Hands free?
No. Just. It's gonna say. I think it's gonna say Alpine.
Harry? I was also a really instructor. I was like, oh, there must be some neighbor business.
Put on the radio.
Okay. Turn us on.
Are these
It
connected
makes
yet?
back.
No, I'm in the building.
Hold on.